Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an accessory that could significantly elevate your listening experience with the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones, the Adhiper replacement ear pads. It's crucial to note right off the bat that these ear pads are specifically engineered for the Soundcore by Space Q45 adaptive active noise canceling headphones, so make sure to double-check your model before considering this upgrade. One of the first things you'll notice about these Adhiper ear pads is their construction. They're crafted from high-density memory foam, which isn't just about comfort. It plays a vital role in noise reduction. This memory foam provides a plush, comfortable, and resilient experience, conforming perfectly around the ears. This snug fit is essential for maintaining the headphone's noise-canceling capabilities, effectively creating a better seal that helps block out external distractions while protecting your ears during extended listening sessions. But where these ear pads truly shine is with their upgraded cooling gel technology. This isn't just a gimmick. It's a thoughtful innovation designed to combat one of the most common complaints about over-ear headphones: heat buildup. The integrated cooling gel works to keep your ears comfortably cool, even during prolonged use. This superior breathability actively reduces that uncomfortable warmth and sweat, transforming your listening experience. Imagine enjoying your favorite music or podcasts for hours on end without that familiar clammy feeling. It's about saying goodbye to sweaty ears and embracing uninterrupted comfort, making those long flights or intense work sessions much more enjoyable. Installation might sound daunting, but Adhiper has made it surprisingly straightforward. The package includes a handy installation tool. The process involves gently prying open the buckles of your old Space Q45 ear pads to detach them from the headphones. After that, you simply place the provided spacers, align the buckles of the new Adhiper Q45 ear pads with your headphones, and press them firmly into place until they fasten securely. A quick check to ensure all buckles are properly secured, and you're good to go. It's a simple, user-friendly process that anyone can manage. In the box, you'll find 2 replacement ear pads and that essential installation tool. Adhiper also emphasizes their commitment to customer satisfaction, offering support if any items are missing from your package. Overall, these Adhiper replacement ear pads offer a compelling upgrade for any Soundcore Space Q45 owner looking to enhance comfort, maintain noise isolation, and most importantly, enjoy a cooler, more refreshing listening experience. They truly transform the feel of your headphones, making them even more enjoyable for daily use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.